to that dog right there. Denali, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Denali. Who's a cute little baby? Who's a pretty little princess? Who's a pretty little princess? Who's a pretty little princess? Pose. Perfect pose ever. God, she can be a dog model. But yeah, she's jumping up on the bed. Yeah, she's still jumping up on the bed. She's sniffing my crotch. Okay, she sniffed my crotch. How did that feel? It didn't feel right to me. And plus I'm already taken, so. Oh, ow, ow. Stay me on my balls. Okay, thank you. Ow, my balls right now. But yeah, I got the new dog, Denali. Okay. Just shake it, I guess. Who cares? Who cares? You're just a dog. You know, a beautiful dog. Aren't you? Aren't you? I said, aren't you? Why are you talking to me? Fine, go to the dark side. See what I care. But just know that a world full of crime and hate is not a good world at all. Okay? I just want you to know that. And today we are not going to be looking at my face because my face is ugly as heck. I mean, if you agree, like, seriously, say something in the comments if you agree, like, yeah, I agree, or, hey, I'm agreeing, or, like, yeah, it's toilet paper, just randomly there, you know, just, yeah, but we're going first person mode, so, yeah, you won't be seeing my face, we'll just be first person. The other dog, now you come to the good side, you're weird, you're like, Cat Girl. Is that her name, or is it Catwoman? It's Cat Girl, isn't it? No, it's Catwoman. Catwoman. Yeah, you're Catwoman, although you're dog. That's weird. Okay, we also have the light on in here, and we still have him. But if we let him out, and if that dog gets to this dog, they will attack it. If these two, like, meet up, then that one will totally murder this one. So, that's why we're keeping this one in the bathroom. And also, it was hiding on my bed. Let's not say we, I, by myself, had to take apart my bed, get him out of there, because he lived in there for like 3 days. Will you get away? Here, I'm just gonna close the door. Oh, now there's a fucking echo. This is great. I got stuff in my hair. Oh, man. Stuff in my hair. What's up with that? It's not cool. No, it's just dog hair. Okay. We're good with that, and whatever. But yeah, this dog, really, what, again, with the stupid dog hair, God, duh. La. But yeah, if this dog gets to that dog, I've said this like a million times, haven't I? That dog will be, like, dead. So, we are giving it away for free if you want it, and you live in the Texas area. This guy needs a cute little home. I mean, seriously, he needs a home. I mean, you know, quick. He needs a home. See him? Oh yeah, guys. You need a home, don't you? You're just too scared to need one. But yeah, he's just too scared to come out of a corner. Always in a corner. He eats sometimes and drinks and poops everywhere. Because he's not party trained, but stop that. Will you get away? I mean, God, do you see how scared that dog is right now? And plus, he's a dude. If a dude gets owned by a girl, that dude is just a whip, okay? Well, that dude is a whip because he's way smaller than you. It's on some height. And, bad thing is, he's a little dot, sort of, yeah. That's, eggshell, dark quarter, that's eggshell because, we kind of left this trash can lid off, and yeah, cheesecake, and we left that off, and we made some eggs and all that for breakfast, and she decided it was fun to go into the trash can, get something, like, she just picked randomly, she chose the eggshell, and started eating it. Let's make some chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Come here. Yeah. Chicken nuggets, great value. Sponsor. Okay. I won't get any money. Who gives a crap? I don't want any money, actually. I'm good with the way my life is right now. I don't need no money, and let's see if I can do this with one hand. Hadouken! Okay, fine. Don't tell my dad I did that. We might as well make the rest of these. There's only 4 in there. Alright, yep. Dump it. Dump it. But just no one tell my dad that I ate the rest of the chicken nuggets. He'll kill me. Actually, do we have more chicken nuggets? Because only 4 won't do me, so... Wow, I said do me like I'm having sex with chicken nuggets. Yes, I love having sex with chicken nuggets. I warmed them all up and then I fucked them. That's always on my agenda. That's the way I roll in this life. Okay, oh, here's my soda. I've been looking for my soda. Okay, you can tell that didn't even go towards the... So, yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, here's... I hear that, too. Alright, let's get more smoke nuggets. Because I love doing those nuggets. I love doing those nuggets. Even the golden nuggets. Yeah, let's go with nuggets. Yeah, I got kind of shut you guys down for that. Cut this open. Or rip it. Okay, that works also. Hang on. You might not see my enemy for now. Faith Glory, sponsored. Oh, I burped. I did not burp. Denali, girl. Did you burp? Did you burp? Did you burp? Did you? Okay, you're so cute. High five. Did you burp? Huh? Did you burp? Did you burp? Of course you did. You burp, don't you? You burp a lot. I'm a little burpy. Okay. Got me now. Alright, let's see if I can get this with one hand. Hadouken. Also, I'll make you, I know, I said I wasn't going to do this, but, you know, who cares? My hair is always messed up in my videos. So is my face. Also, someone called me from all the way from South Dakota. I don't know who it is, but I did not answer it. I was like, who could be calling me from Michelle, or what city was it? Michelle, South Dakota, I think it was. I don't know. It just said it on my Android phone, so, which is what I'm filming from right now, so, yeah. Cute outro.